Hey Dean, thanks for reaching out. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to kind of show you what I was talking about in my email. So for example, here I typed in thermoforming plastic and this Productive Plastics website pops up on top. And they don't necessarily have a blog, but they have a whole page dedicated to what is thermoforming, and they essentially just go over the whole process in great detail. As you can see here, they kind of go over everything almost that you need to know about thermoforming. And this page for them, I put them into Ahrefs. Ahrefs essentially is a company that buys data from Google. So it shows what keywords they're ranking for and then how much traffic they're bringing in. So for that thermoforming page alone, that's bringing them in 90% of their traffic. So you can see that they're ranking in that first spot for thermoforming plastic. And that's bringing them in a little over 60 people per month. And then that same page is ranked for all of these keywords here. So you can see the type of search volume that's out there. Now this isn't necessarily buyer intent traffic, but like you said, it's informational literacy. So words like this, or creating a blog, or even creating a single page that it explains what it is, can bring in all of this traffic. So they're bringing in over 200-300 people a month just from that single page explaining about thermoforming. So I just kind of wanted to show you what I was talking about here. Either way, I'd love to set up a meeting and we can speak a little bit about exactly what you need on your website, and we can go from there.